Cabinet Secretary currently speaking, so we'll just listen in live and hear what is going on there. The Energy Summit currently going on at the State House.
I want to say welcome and thank you so much for coming.
Thank you very much, CS. Ladies and gentlemen, our next section is a panel, and our moderator is Wallace Kantai. Please join us on the panel, CS Honorable Charles Katera, the MD KPLC, Mr. Chumo, Mr. Baraza from Petraco, and Soko Analyst. Please join us on the panel. As they make their way to the stage, we shall have a short clip. Please strain your eyes to the screens.
I hope I don't fall off. I think I don't fall off.
Hapa hizo shule zimeunganishwa na umeme. Tunataka kuanza sasa huo mradi wa kuhakikisha kila Mkenya ambaye anataka au anahitaji umeme ameweza kupata. Tulisema ya kwamba tunataka kuhakikisha ya kwamba Wakenya wameweza kuunganishwa na waweze kupata umeme. Tukasema hiyo iwe nusu, ndio tusaidie Wakenya wengi zaidi. Na tukakubaliana ya kwamba kila Mkenya ambaye anahitaji aunganishwe na umeme aendelee kulipa pole baada ya miaka miwili basi alipe, lakini kwanza aunganishwe na umeme. Tukashirikiana na wenzetu wa African Development Bank, tukasaidiana, tukasema kwanza tungependa shule zote za msingi za Jamhuri yetu ya Kenya ziunganishwe na umeme. Sasa hivi tukiongea hapa, hizo shule zimeunganishwa na umeme. Tunataka kuanza sasa huo mradi wa kuhakikisha kila Mkenya ambaye anataka au anahitaji umeme ameweza kupata.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Can I be heard? Yes. I hope I can be heard. If I cannot be heard, I will shout. How's everyone? Did you have electricity in your houses this morning? Yes. Or have you come here with clothes that are slightly unironed? We're going to be speaking about electricity, and thank you for everyone who's joining us from your places of work and business, or from home, if that's where you are, wherever it is that you're trying to catch this. We're here at State House in Nairobi speaking about the electricity sector. So we want to ensure that we can get to the bottom of this sector. This is going to be an interesting session, and it's going to run in 3 parts. I'm going to begin with the issues of cost of power and how you get it to your places of business or your homes in as affordable a way as possible. And I'm joined by a distinguished panel. I'll later hand over to one of my colleagues, Paul Wafula, who will go through the issue of reliability, which is obviously very important to all of us, and the issue of street lighting, which is our towns, cities, and urban areas being lit enough that you can actually be able to conduct your businesses well into the evening. And we'll also have another of my colleagues, Olive.
Well, Kenya is this morning hosting the Energy Summit, and that is starting today. The State House spokesman, Manoa Esipisu, says the aim of the summit is to bring both the administration of Kenyan energy consumers a clearer and more coherent picture of energy policy and its consequences. Our reporter Joy Doreen Bira is there and will bring us a report right here on KTN News. So do stay with us, and we'll definitely bring you an update later on in our subsequent bulletin. For now, we'd like to take a short break. When we come back, we'll be looking at your health. And the question that we're asking this morning is shisha unhealthy for you? And what are some of the health hazards that it may pose before you, if at all it is a health hazard? Find out in just a bit, right here on Morning Express.